Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring this beautiful paper called Poetic Expressions. I cannot get enough of this. Boho blue, I believe, is the main color, but the backside is even prettier with a lovely little raspberry color as well. I'm featuring the hot air balloon stamp set, this stamp, and I'm also featuring the adhesive rainbow, I think these are called rainbow adhesive back dots. Very cool. If you want to learn how to make this, keep on watching and we'll do it together. Okay. I'm going to try to put my hands here because my camera doesn't like white. Can you imagine that? It zooms in and zooms out. Okay, so we have a piece of cardstock here that is 10 3/4 by 7 1/2. So on the long side, I'm going to score at 1 3/8. That's the tick mark just before the half. And then 9 3/8. And you don't necessarily need a scoring tool for this. You can use your trimmer. Okay, so I am flipping it around and I'm going to score at 3/4. Whoops, sometimes it jumps on me. 2 3/4, 4 1/8. Hang on, that's a quarter, so 4 1/8, and 6 1/8. All right, we're going to fold and burnish. All right, so I'm going to walk you through this. So on the side here, we're going to take away, well, we're going to cut up on all the score lines. How's that? We'll start simple. All right, so now we're going to take off this rectangle, but I am going to wedge out just a little bit. This is our lip. And then this is the, this will go into the box. So I am going to wedge that out. And it's a nice big wedge. All right, so these little bit tabs here on either side, I'm going to cut them down in half, about. And then we're going to wedge. And these are going to hold our box together. Okay. So this is what you should have. Missing big wedge, cut in half wedge, nice big square, and then cut in half and wedge. All right, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, this is what you should have. Now, I am going to decorate it before we put it together. So, we have one piece of Poetic Expressions, designer series paper. It comes by 12 by 12. This is the back side. I can definitely see the back side going down because it's a beautiful paper. Anyway, this is the lid. So it is 7 3/4 long and 1 3/4 wide. And hopefully my camera is doing okay. So now we have 2 more pieces that are exactly 7 3/4 long, but 1 1/8 wide. They're going to go on the back part here. So this side and then this side. So again, 7 3/4 and 1 1/8 wide. And then we have 2 pieces for the square sides here. Not 7 3/4. 1 3/4 wide and 1 1/8 tall. And they go on here. Alrighty, so that is it. We're going to put adhesive along these tabs here. There's 4 tabs. And then all we're going to do with that side there is we're going to bring up that folded edge to the free edge of the side. There we are. Simple. Lovely little box. I always say this is the moment of truth, but we can put that box inside. So it's a nice big box. And then today I'm going to decorate it with it's a photopolymer stamp set. It's called Hot Air Balloon. It's so cute. I have an online class featuring this and the dies as well. So the sentiment says, hooray, it's your birthday. And I just put a piece of Scotch tape and I masked off that top part. So that top part is the up, up, and away. I just masked that off. So it's going to say, hooray, it's your birthday. All right. And then I use the dies that came with the hot air balloon. So this lovely little scalloped, or actually it's a curved banner. And I used the paper boho blue. No, sorry, balmy blue? Boho blue. You know, there's all these new colors. And then a piece of basic white. So I'm going to use Orchid Oasis. It's a little different colored than that really pretty boho blue. So I have inked it up very well. Now I'm going to remove the tape, if I can. I really stuck it down there, didn't I? Okay. And now I'm just going to stamp hooray, it's your birthday right in the middle. And then I have some dimensional adhesive and I'm going to put that on my basic white piece. And then, oops, then this basic white piece is going to go on the stitched curved banner piece. There's a tiny little bit of a border that you can see. And then I'm going to put it on the side. So cute little box, little birthday present for someone. And so nice. Now what coordinates with this hot air balloon is the rainbow adhesive dots. Can't get enough of them. Think they're so pretty. And let's see here. They are a whole bunch of different colors. I'm not sure if they named the colors, but anyway, I'm pretty sure that I can find a blue that goes. What do you think looks good? Oh my gosh, all these colors look good. I think I'm going to stick with the blue motif. So I think this is Azure Afternoon. Not 100% sure, but I think it is very pretty. So you can mix and match colors for sure. There's no rule. So cute. Okay, you guys, that is my share for today. Thanks so much for watching. Again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.